Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You can tell what this video is about, so let's get into it. So what I want you to do is make sure before you touch any type of foods is to wash your hands thoroughly. As you can see, that's what I'm doing here. Yeah, make sure you wash underneath your nails as well, don't forget that. Next is ingredients. You're going to want oil, any type of oil. I have vegetarian oil. And eggs. Make sure it's in date, it's very important. You don't want to be sick. Also your mitts. And chicken. Next we're going to go over to the stove and make sure you have a pan, any type of pan. Grab your oil and make sure you pour it in the pan to preheat it. Next you're going to want a bowl to wash your chicken in. Now make sure when you wash your chicken, it's very important that you use lemon or lime. Lemon or lime. Rinse it off, move it to the next step. Right, clean your surfaces, very important. Get a bowl. Also your eggs. You're gonna want, how many eggs is up to you. Crack your eggs. I used to, just so it sticks on all of the chicken, because I had 6 pieces of chicken. Gonna want a spoon, tablespoon, any spoon would be fine, to whisk the egg. Next, get your mitts and pour it into a bowl. Then get your chicken and coat it in the egg. Make sure you get both sides coated in egg. And when you're finished with that, move it into the mitts. And again, coat both sides, perfect. To get a proper coated chicken, what you would do from here is you'll dip it back into the egg mitts and then dip it back into the chicken mitts. So essentially you're just repeating 2 to 3 times. And when you've coated all your chicken, you're gonna want to go to the oil, preheated oil, and dip it into the pan. Be careful, the oil is really hot. what you want to do is make sure that you leave both sides for a minimum of 15 minutes, and if you check them and it's golden brown like this, that means you're doing good. You don't want it raw pink, you want it brown. That means it's cooking. Yeah, and just, you can do what you want. You can go to sleep, you can read a book. Just make sure you come back in time to turn up the chicken so it doesn't burn. Pro tip, make sure you check inside the chicken. That's what I'm doing here, so you know it's fully cooked through. You don't want to eat the chicken with blood or anything like that. And there we go, this is the end product. So yeah, just like that, you fried chicken. Well, I've been Mr. Underrated. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. I really appreciate it.